Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, if it works, hopefully, I'll be able to update my storage on a MacBook Air to 1TB for less than £80. Spoiler alert, if this video gets uploaded, it means it worked.
You're watching Family Flyouts does DIY.
Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to change the amount of memory in our MacBook Air. We are going to increase it from 128GB to 1TB. Before we start, we have created a bootable USB so we can put the Mac software back into the hard drive. We've also backed up the whole computer to this hard drive by using Time Machine. First we're going to log out and switch off the computer. First of all, we're going to unscrew these 10 screws. The 4 screws on the bottom are a different length to these 2 screws at the top. Now all we have to do is take off the cover. These are the batteries, but first, so I know there's no power in it all, I'm going to unplug this. There, and next I'm going to use this screwdriver to undo this screw. This is our 128GB hard drive that we're going to replace. This is the Apple hard drive, and you can see that it has a slot in the middle. And to get 1TB with the slot in the middle is very expensive. But you can buy this for about £60, and it has the slot at the side. Then you can add this adapter, which goes between the computer and the hard drive. Now I'm going to plug in the new memory card to the adapter. You need to be very careful, just because if you bend any pins, this won't work. There. Now I'm going to place it back in. Now I'm going to put this screw back in. Oh, mustn't forget to put the battery back in or else the computer won't work. Now we can put the top on. You want to align the 2 corners at the back. Then you want to just place it in. Now we just have to put screws in. Don't forget your big ones. Now it's all back together, and let's hope it works. I've put the bootable USB in, and now we're going to try power it up whilst pressing the options key. After a few seconds it starts to load up. First we're going to format our new hard drive, so click on Disk Utility and then press Continue. Now we're going to format our hard drive. Then click on erase. Now you're going to name it. This middle one, format, has to be Mac OS Extended Journal, and then you click erase. Then in the top here, disk utility, you want to go quit. Once you get onto this screen, you're going to click on Install Mac OS Monterey. And then press Continue. Then you click on Agree. I have read and yes. Now you're going to click on that you named, then Continue. It's telling us that it needs to be plugged in, so I am going to plug it in. And then it will load for a certain amount of time. It's taken about 20 minutes to get the main operation system running, but now we're at this page and we're going to press continue. Now we're going to reinstall from our Time Machine backup. After you click all of that, you will get to this loading screen. After about 30 minutes, it came back online, so now let's see how much storage we have. Moment of truth. And we have 1 terabyte of storage now, so it all worked out fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I'll put a link up for the hard drive and the adapter in the description below. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.